good? What's good? What is good, my sizers? We're back again with another video, and today we will be doing a room tour at the Luxor. However, I'm excited because this will be the first time me and you both will be seeing a pyramid room. Now, I will say I have been staying here the past couple days, so you will see some of my stuff in here, but you're greeted by the bathroom on the left side, and it's actually pretty spacious. It is one sink. You also have this little shelf. That's where you can put all of your towels and things. And then you have the toilet. The shower is actually really nice. The water is hot if you put it to hot, and the water is cold if you put it to cold. There is no like wait time or anything like that, so that's nice. And then here is the mirror. And then if we leave that door is the door for the conjoining rooms, if you get that. Here is where your closet would be. So you can hang up your clothes here. You have your iron there, the ironing board, shelf, your safe, and then like a smaller shelf down there too. You also have 2 queen beds. Now this room is like weird, but it's also spacious. I feel like this room is more spacious than the typical standard room. So you have 2 queen beds here. And then if you walk, you have a hot tub over here. Just be careful because like there's pretty big steps. And then this is one window that you have in here. So let's check out the view. I haven't even seen this. So I see Allegiant Stadium on the left-hand side right there. I also see, I'm trying to look, hold on. I also see the Orleans, the palms in and out. And then I think if we look directly down, if we look directly down, that's their pool. So that's the Luxor pool. That is our view. So that was our view. This is a close-up of what the hot tub looks like. So it looks like you could seat 2. That's pretty nice. And then if we leave here, you have a dresser with the TV on it. Also, this thing has a drawer and the little tabletop pull-out. That like you pull up that top drawer and it comes out like a table. So that's really nice. There's your luggage holder. You know, you would think after all of these room tours I've done, you would know what that's called, but I don't. Also, this room comes with a refrigerator that is empty, so you could fill it up with whatever you want. For example, all of my food. You also have the ice bucket and cups. I like this little setup. It's like a small, like, living room setup. There's also a TV on this side too, and some shelves. When you open it up, it's just more shelves. Although okay, so because there's no handle, you just push it and it pops open, and then you can open it. That was difficult. Oh wow, there's also shelves in here. I mean, not shelves, there's also drawers in here. I wasn't expecting that. So yeah, that's cool. I like that. That's neat. All right, so if we close that, we can finally check out our view over here. So let's see, what are we looking at? Okay, so this would be like a better view of the Allegiant Stadium, the Orleans, and the palms. And then if you look down, that's the pool. So it's the same view. Oh, and you can also see Delano right there. So that's pretty cool. Same view, but a little bit different. Okay, remember how I told you I've been staying here? I wanted to stay here before I filmed it because their pyramid tower is known to be like the most haunted and the most like rickety. So I just wanted to like stay and see if I have like any experiences or anything. Honestly, I haven't. But the Luxor is haunted in itself anyways, so you can have an experience at any time, no matter what room you stay out and stuff. Also, I must warn you guys, if you get a pyramid room, because I like these pyramid rooms. I am not gonna lie, I prefer these over the standard rooms and the suites. Like, these rooms are nice, I like them a lot. But if you do get a pyramid room, you'll have to use the elevator that goes up, but it's like at that 35 degree, like whatever. I'll show you. There's a sign in the elevator. I'll show it to you. But it's a rickety ride. Like, it's not smooth because you're going at an angle rather than going straight up and down, you know? So if you get motion sickness, I would just be aware of that. But otherwise, I really like this room. What do you guys think? Here's a nice little overview of the room. And as you can see, like, their ceiling is a bit slanted. You can especially notice it over here in the living room area, how the wall sits slanted. So that is one thing to be aware of when you have a night out and then you come back to your room. That way you don't hurt yourself on your ceiling. Also, this is the view for when you're waiting for your elevator. So as you can see, we're looking at the Blue Man Group box office, Diablo's, and to the right is where like Fantasy and Carrot Top perform. Once you get into the elevator, it says Luxor Discovery Fact. This is not your average elevator ride. You are in an inclinator, which transport you sideways at a 39-degree angle up the 4 sides of the pyramid. Who knew going to your room could be this thrilling? Okay, so it's 39 degrees, not 35. All right, you guys, that is all I have for you today. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys have stayed at the pyramid towers and what your guys' thoughts were on that, or if you haven't stayed at all and this is your first time seeing it like it is mine. So be sure to let me know what you guys think of it, what you prefer, because as you guys know, I do stay at the Luxor more than other casinos and hotels. But I do like this room a lot. I think out of all of the Luxor rooms, this one's for sure my favorite. But while you're down there in the comments, be sure to smash that subscribe button. Doodles!